has not worked for the bowling side. Goes for another big one. Please take this one. And he finally does. So the captain brings himself on the bowling attack and manages to pick up yet another wicket. Yes, it was fuller outside the off stump. He was once again trying to muscle that on the leg side. It went high up in the air and the wicketkeeper making no mistake on that occasion. Ball back inside the boundary ropes. Decides to go straight. Chance of the fielder at long on and he takes it. Hamza got the length to go big straight down the ground. Just couldn't time it well enough and I think it was Asim Azhar at long on. He goes for another one. Hasn't timed this well as he would have liked. There is a fielder at deep mid wicket and he pouches another one. Attempting another big shot. Shahzeb got miles up in the air but not getting enough distance behind that one. The second innings with the bat in his hands as well. Lighting it up. Chance for another wicket. Well, he already started celebrating even before the catch was taken. What an over this has turned out to be from the captain. 3 wickets and just 8 runs. That too, the 19th over of the innings. So finally the moment has arrived we've all been waiting for. It's the captain who has come out to bat at number 6 in this run chase, Fahad Mustafa. This gets very lucky, gets it inside edge. Fahad Mustafa will get a run to open his account. Not afford to wait. Trying to sweep that. Gets it into the gap and gets it into the fence. Extraordinary stroke this from the captain. He was targeting the stumps by Fayaz Hussain. It was full in the length, got down on one knee and found the gap between mid-wicket and square leg. Done by Rehan at the other end in the previous one. Coming down the wicket. My goodness, what a hit that is. This is a serious blow from the captain. Coming down the wicket, getting closer to the pitch of the ball and hitting it way over the fielder at square leg. That is some hit from Fahad Mustafa. Sliding it up, the ball just coming back into the left-hander. Good variations being shown needed in the last 6. Abdullah Nawab's comebacks into the attack. Reverse sweep attempted. He has managed to get it into the gap. Will be looking to come back for the second run. And he gets it very easily. He goes for the reverse sweep and it has been put down. They will definitely look to come back for the second as well, which they do. Well, Salman Shaikhani. And the ball landing in low man's land and the catch was put down. This time he comes down the track, hits it all across the turf, into the gap and into the fence. He's taking calculated risks at this stage of the game and so far they are paying off. Not getting from the middle of the bat, but still look at the bat swing and the strength behind that stroke. 2 fielders were trying to get near to the ball and neither of them come back. This from Fayaz. He sweeps that one. He connects and he hits it over the fielder at square leg. So whatever pressure that was mounting on both these batters in the first 5 deliveries of the over has been relieved by that big hit from Fahad. Another 6 coming from the bat of the captain. Of chasing down the target, coming down the wicket and he's going to be stumped. Yes, it is, but at the cost of losing the captain at the other end. Mohammad Mohsin bowling it wider outside the off stump. Fahad Mustafa decided to come outside the crease but missed the line of the ball and the rest of the job was done by the wicketkeeper behind the stumps. But nevertheless, he has done his part, Fahad Mustafa, in this partnership. 31 to the captain tonight, along with the 4 wickets that he picked up in the first innings.